Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Lovelyn Tagubahaw, 25 years old, married. I have 2 kids, 6 years old daughter and 1-year-old son, living at Kawayan City, Isabela. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the 4th child of the family. I am college level. I took a Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
No, sir, but I have experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid. 1 couple, 3 children ages 22, 12, and 2 years old, and do all the household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundry, and my main duty is to take care of the children.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always securing the safety of the baby. When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, responsible, honest.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. When I gave birth by a cesarean section, that was 1 year and 10 months ago.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide for my family, especially for my kids, and to be financially stable in the future.
Okay, if you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my parents, and my mother-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and remind myself that I need this job.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. in the evening when my work is done, and wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money on Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, and extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I am responsible, hardworking, and honest person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.